Okay, so we received the package, 25 amps controller and with opt no display. Yes, for 500 electric bike. Okay, we connected to power, we connected the motor, we also connected the display with his move, and the other connector we connected to this as conform schematics. This is acceleration switch. Now we power on and we have error 006. In the manual, as you can see, 006 is communication fault. The instrument cannot receive the output of the controller. No acceleration, nothing. It doesn't matter if we disconnect the motor, it just gives me error 006. Something is fault. The controller or the display is not working, but communication fault. The instrument cannot receive the output of the controller. I don't know. We have the settings for the display. As you can see, we have, this is from manual. We have brightness, kilometers, 48 volts, because it's 48 volts controller. We have 48 volts set in the display. This is sleep time, 5. Meter, wheel diameter, number of magnets. This is maximum power, 100, no speed limit, 0 start, assisted mode. Everything is as it should be. But we have on 14, if we look in the manual here, on 14, this is controller current limit, default 12 amps by default. Controller software support required. Exchange 1 to 20. Okay? So if we go here, you have 12. $20 is the maximum, then it comes back to 1. So I cannot set here 26 amps because controller is 26 amps. Yeah, I cannot set 26 here, only 20. And as I showed you in the manual, in P50 motor drive in per 14. Controller, look, controller current limit setting 12 by default. Controller software support required. Range 1 to 20. Maximum is 20, and I have a 26 amps controller. I don't know. Nothing. You see? Speed is detected if I turn the motor. Yeah. But not working. Speed 1 not working. Speed 2 not working. 3 not working. 4, 5, nothing. It just does not work.